Ken Martin has officially been elected as the new chair of the Democratic National Committee, marking a major shift for the Democratic Party after a tough 2024 election. Martin, a seasoned political strategist from Minnesota, won decisively by securing strong support from DNC members. His focus? Unifying the party and preparing for upcoming battles against President Donald Trump's administration. But can he turn things around for the Democrats after their devastating losses? Drop your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned for more updates.